Hi everyone! So for today, we're going to make homemade bubble milk tea. So this milk tea is a popular drink from Taiwan that is very creamy and tea-based drink with warm and chewy tapioca pearls. The tapioca pearls are found around the bottom of the glass. So tapioca pearls are made from starch that came from cassava root. Tapioca pearls is also called Boba pearls or tapioca balls. So for the complete ingredients, we have here 1 cup of tapioca pearls. And then we have 1 cup of dark brown sugar, but you can also use other sugar like muscovado, coconut sugar. We also have here 1 cup of water. Our main ingredient, this one is the Prince of Peace Oolong tea. So we have 3 tea bags here. We also have 2 cups of half and half milk. And for later, we're going to use ice cubes. So the main ingredient is the Prince of Peace Oolong tea. So this one can be found and can be bought in Karman Foods. Just visit www.karmanfoods.com. So Karman Foods is the #1 curated Asian food grocer. It is the ultimate place for your Asian needs. We can provide Asian ethnic food ingredients and deliver it to your doorstep. We have Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and Southeast Asian ingredients. So first, we have to prepare the boba or the tapioca pearls. We need to boil a pot of water. And then once it's boiling, we can add the tapioca pearls. So let's stir it so it will not stick with each other. And just allow it to boil. As you can see, the tapioca pearls are already on the top of the water. So it means that it is already cooked. So we have to remove it from the heat and we have to cover it for around 10 minutes. So now, we have to prepare the syrup. So we need to heat a pan over medium to low heat. Now, this is the dark brown sugar. We can now add it to the pan. So we can now melt the sugar. And we can add 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, let's stir this one. Just make sure that the sugar is dissolving into the tablespoon of water. It should be a thick syrup. So just continue stirring it until it's completely melted. It is best to use a wooden spoon to stir the syrup. So now that it's already thick, we can now add the tapioca pearls. So the tapioca pearls, we already drained it and we washed it with cold water so that it prevents from sticking with each other. So these tapioca pearls are really sticky. That's why we have to wash it to remove the extra starch. And now we have to stir it. That's it, and then we remove it from heat.
while we brew the tea.
So now we're going to brew the Prince of Peace Oolong tea. So we have here hot water and then the 3 tea bags of the Oolong tea. And we are going to use this French press. So first we have to add the water. This is around 1 cup. 1 to 2 cups is also okay. So then we add the tea bags of Prince of Peace Oolong tea. And then we cover it and let it steep for 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes is up, so we need to check this one. We can stir it first. And then let's press the French press. So it's okay already. We have to let this cool first. So we can put it in the refrigerator and chill it first so that our ice cubes will not melt faster. So here's our jar. And first what we're going to do is we're gonna add this tapioca pearls with dark brown sugar syrup. So you have to tilt your jar or glass. Just twist it until the glass or the jar is fully covered with the syrup. Add some more. And then twist it again. So here's our base, which is the tapioca pearls with dark brown sugar syrup. And now we're gonna add the ice cubes. You can add more ice if you like. And then here's our milk, the half and half milk. But you can use other milk like almond milk, rice milk, oat milk, coconut milk if you're a vegan. So this one is 1 cup, but you can add just 1/2 cup if you like. And then we're gonna add our main ingredient, which is the Prince of Peace Oolong tea. That's it. So you already have your homemade bubble milk tea. So here's the homemade bubble milk tea. Again, this use main ingredient, which is the Prince of Peace Oolong tea. So you can find these ingredients in Karman Foods. Just visit www.karmanfoods.com. Our selection are constantly growing, and if you have any suggestions, please contact us at our website. This tea is 100% organic, rich in antioxidants, and can boost your metabolism.